Today I've got kind of a cool project to do. I'm here at our treehouse cabin overlooking the creek, and this year we had a drought, so it completely dried up. This has water in it, a lot of water. Looks like a little river between the months of like November through say July. But it's October, so the creek is pretty dry right now. Now over here on this side, this is called Turtle Creek. And this is spring fed, so we still have water over here. It's just kind of stagnant water, it's not really flowing. But next week it's supposed to rain for 7 days straight. So all those rocks there should be underwater. And that's Billy Creek, and it'll be flowing again. So where Turtle Creek comes right here, comes through right here, and it flows into Billy Creek. We want to clear this out some and dig this down and make this a little bit nicer, so when people are staying in our cabin, they have this nice flow of water. And we plan to make a little waterfall. We've already got one there. We're gonna work on a little bit with some concrete mix that we've made. And yeah, let's get the Mini X out and let's get to work. I've got my 16-inch bucket. I'm going to swap it out for this 8-inch bucket. So now I got my 16-inch bucket on, and we're gonna go down to the creek, and I'm gonna start digging and get my project underway. Oh! Oh! That hurt. Yeah, there's a roof with a sharp edge. That hurt. So here we have our waterfall that we made. The water will come down here. But now I've gotten all this dug out. So when the water comes from Turtle Creek, it'll come right where the mini X is. And it'll fill that. Be kind of like a little swim hole area. I've got to level this dirt back out, but man, it's looking good. It's quite a drop off from here though. Straight down into a hole. But this will look awesome from the cabin. Ran out of gas. Huh? You shouldn't jump. So I've got my project done out here at the cabin. You see, I dug this out. So when the rain comes back, we're gonna have, the water will come up there from Turtle Creek and will come right down here. I think it looks pretty perfect, actually. So another project that we did is we shored up our little waterfall here. So we made some concrete, we mixed some concrete up, and we made a little waterfall. So you got concrete here because it was washing out on the side, and then it's a little lower in the middle. So when the water comes back, it'll come through there, it'll come down here, and then we get the water sounds of a little waterfall right there. Need to take a weed eater to this, but you can see that this will hold water because it's a whole lot deeper. But most of the year it's flowing, so this ought to be like a little baby kiddie swim hole. This edge needs a little work, but I think it'll be good for the rain coming. But I've got this dug, so it'll It'll trickle down from Turtle Creek once that gets filled back up again. It'll be perfect. Today, my baby excavator was awesome. It was very useful and very handy. I don't know if a bigger machine would have been able to get down in that creek bed the way this did, but this did a great job. It's a little bit twitchy, it's a little bit jerky. I've had it 1.5 years now, and man, this is a great little tool to have around the house or around your property. So for us out here at our vacation place, yeah, this thing's awesome. No regrets buying this. This thing's great. So anyway, just a little quick project today. Wanted to show you guys and share it with you. A little video here. Again, more content coming. I've got a bunch more stuff with a mini skid steer, and I think I've got another mini skid on its way. So possibly a bigger mini excavator as well. So stay tuned. A lot more attachments, a lot more projects, a lot cooler things to do. Like and subscribe, and if you have any questions or anything, or have any advice for me, leave it in the comments. Besides that, enjoy your time in the trees and have yourself a wonderful day.